What is going on, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, equipment, guns. In this video, I will unbox $100 mystery boxes full of police equipment, weapons, and goodies. Here we go. Box number one. Box number one. Crown Rig Auto patch, San Francisco police patch, a dome light. Let me demonstrate this real quick with my Suwaki G500. I love this thing. Look at that. So I figured out that this sticker is so that the driver doesn't get blinded when he puts it on his dash. It includes a CTS model 7290M mini flashbang. This is the real deal, but it is spent, so it's for decor. I also have one for a giveaway. I gotta put that back. This is also spent. I will announce it on a live stream or premiere I'm doing this Friday. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing for this Friday's video, but it's either gonna be a live stream or a premiere. Either way, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I'm going live. These are fasteners for Crown Vics. This is a real vintage Texaco model car made out of metal. Signal Master by Federal Signal with the bracket. Motorola Radius M1225. It includes the mic and the speaker that goes with it. Also includes a antenna. Let me check this out. It's a mace gun. This is so cool. This is battery operated water cartridge, just in case mace is illegal in your country or state. Cool as that. This thing is awesome. I love it, but it's yours. Smith & Wesson tactical knife. Never buy cheap knives. One time, an ex-girlfriend of mine was stabbing a tree for some reason, and it closed on her, cut her finger really bad, really bad. A prison escape key. This is a real prison escape key I found in one of the cop cars. This should be in a museum. It is priceless. It's probably worth something, I don't know, but this is real cool. It's badges, another knife. I got a spotlight repair kit. So yeah, moving on to box number two. Box number two. If I sound a little grumpy, it's because it is 2:48 a.m. The Flintstones embossed metal sign. A Safariland gun holster. I don't know what kind of gun goes here. A ticket book. These are expired, so don't think that you can go and give tickets to anybody because these are not valid. Handcuffs. These handcuffs will come with the key, but I'm still gonna engrave them. Lights. Let me turn them on for you real quick. It works. Some camera. Special officer. Super obnoxious airsoft innovations patch. Ford truck parking only embossed metal sign. Midland two-way radio. Radio check. Radio check. Copy that. Also comes with the charger. Now this is an XL Burst. This is the civilian legal model of the flashbang. Ever since I got those flashbangs, I've been obsessed with them. So I went and tried to find some, and this is about the closest I could find. This is green gas powered. This is reusable. People use them for like airsoft, paintball games and stuff like that. It comes with like 30 shots. So it has some grenade oil, 125 dBA of sound. This thing is awesome. Dome light for a Crown Vic. Mic, Motorola mic. Mesh mask. Yes, I know it's not a cup. Not a cup. Ooh, and I hate to see this go. The Delta Ray. I love this thing. It's just so cool. Be smart. Don't use this out in the streets. Novelty purpose only. Different patterns. It's got way more patterns than I thought. Ooh, can't even look at it. It's so bright. Steady burn. Look at that. Keeps going. Pattern after pattern. Super rare. It's all yours. And this also has this thing. I have no idea what this is, but it looks pretty important. Mercury. I don't know how I ended up with this. I'll try to squeeze whatever I can in here. Okay, so let's go to box number 4. I hope I'm not mumbling because it is super late. Okay. PC Tail Antenna. Pinball Wizard. LED dome light. It has LED white and red. You're gonna like this. From Vic rear deck Talon. Let me show you that it works. Beautiful, beautiful. Streamlight. This is a must-have. Torque wrench. GPS antenna, which is magnetic. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.